In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this plus at the bottom left corner and click on Files section. Now to attach an audio file, tap on Audio at the top and look for it over here. Access one of those apps or tap on those three lines at the top left corner and click on one of those sources. After finding your file, you need to hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To add a video one, select Gallery section instead of Files. Click on your video over here if it's recent. And decide if you wish to send it as Google Photos link or low quality video. To continue, select Add at the bottom right corner. If your video isn't recent, you can click on Folders at the top and look for it over here. Then click on it to attach it. Lastly, tap on one of those options again, but this time click on just once or always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!